Welcome to Learning Platform. The best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics.
Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. So in a previous class we have learned some of very important concepts which are related to the basic geometrical ideas lesson. The first we learned the very important, that is point. The point, it is one of the geometrical object, so it is help us to show a location. And the second one is line segment. The line segment, it is also one portion from the line. It has a points. The first one is initial point and another one is the final point. And the next one is a line. The line, it can extend it in the both direction. So here also the next after the line is, so we have learned the intersecting lines and the parallel lines. The intersecting lines means the two lines are intersecting in a one point. Those lines can meet together. And next one is parallel lines. The parallel lines are, so the parallel, if you extended those two parallel lines, those lines are never meet at any point. Those lines are called as a parallel lines. So see here, this is called as a point. It is help us to show a location. For example, this is one map. In this map we can show that where is Bengaluru, where is Mangalore. So we can show by using these points. Okay, this is called as a point. The next one is the line segment. The line segment, it has 2 points. So it is very shortest distance. So this is called as a line segment, and it can be write it as AB line segment. The next one is the line. So line means if you extended those 2 points, so if you extended in both of the side, this is called as a line AB. Okay, the next one is intersecting lines means, so if this is a line L1, the another one line is the L2. This L1 and L2 are intersecting in the point P. They meet together in the point P. These two lines are called as a intersecting lines. The next one is parallel lines. The parallel lines nothing but these two the lines. This is L1 line and L2 line. If you extended these two lines infinitely, these two lines are never meet together in any one point. Those two lines are called as a parallel lines. So after that, these all the concept. The next one is curves. So what is this curve? So curve, it is also one of the geometrical object. So curve, it is a line. It can be drawing by without lifting the pencil from the paper. For example, this is a curve. This is a curve. So it can draw by without lifting the pencil or this chalk. See, this is also a curve, and this is also a curve, and this is also a curve. Okay, these all are examples for a curves. See, so I will draw here the one curve. So the curve, it is a line you can draw without lifting the pencil or by chalk from a paper or from board here. Okay, so every curves have points also. Here this is I started from this point, so this is initial point for this curve, and where I stopped, this is a final point for this curve. Okay, this is one example for a curve. So even this is also a curve. Okay, so this curve is, I draw this curve without lifting my chalk. So this is also a curve. And another one is, see, this is also a curve. And the next one is, can you consider this is also a curve? See? So the next one, so this is also an example for a curve. This is also an example for a curve. See, these are all our examples for curve. This is a picture one, and this is second one, and this is a third one, and this is fourth one, and this is fifth one. Okay. So to observe these all the pictures here. This is one example for curve. This is also one curve. This is also one curve. This is also one curve, and this is also one curve. I told you the curve, it is a line. It can be drawing by the without lifting the pencil from the paper. And another one condition is it can be drawn without a ruler. Okay. So this is all the condition for a curve. But in a before days, as generally, so this kind of the straight lines we are not considering as a curves, right? So but as according to the mathematics, even we are considering these also called as a curves. These all are made by the line segments. Although we are considering the curve, because what is the rule for a curve is, the rule is it is a line you can draw by without lifting the pencil. That is the rule for a curve. So these all the figures I draw it by without lifting my hand, without lifting my pencil. So even this kind of figure we are calling as a curve. In a mathematically we are calling the made by the straight lines. These are all are called as a curves. Okay, but not use any ruler. But these are all the example for a curves. Here we are dividing the simple curves. So which are the simple curves here? This is an example for a simple curve, and this is also example for simple curve, and this is also example for simple curves. These two are not called as a simple curves. Why these two are not called as a simple curves? Because these curves are crashed themselves. See, these curves are crashed. They again meet at the one point here. So here also this curve is crashed themselves. So these are not a simple curves. These two are called as a curves, but not a simple curves. And these three are called as a simple curves. Okay, are you getting my point? So these are all the examples for a curves. So what is a condition for a curve is the curves or a line. It is drawing by without lifting the pencil from paper, and don't use any rulers for a curves. Okay. So these three are called as a simple curves. These two are not a simple curves because they crash themselves. This is the example for a curves. So next one is in a curve. If it is example for a curve, okay, so there is a portion inside the curve. This is all portion, and if the point inside the curve, that is interior point, and what is the portion inside of the curve? This is interior portion, and the portion exterior side, that is exterior, and if the point is the exterior region, that is called as the exterior point. This is the point A is exterior point, and if the point is inside the curve, it is the interior point. Okay, so what is this is called as? This is the boundary of the curve. This is boundary of the curve. This is all about the curves. The next one is another one very important, that is a
These all are examples for curves. See, these all the figures. So you can see these are all the example for a curves. See curves. So as we know that the curves are you can draw by without lifting your pencil or pen from paper. So these are all the examples for a curve. See how the curves are formed here. It is not a straight line, but it is a line also. Sometimes so it may be the line, but the condition is while you are drawing the curves, do not use any rulers. This is all the example for simple curves. The curves do not cross themselves. These curves are called as a simple curves. So just observe this curve. So these curves are cross themselves. These are again meet at the point. These are not a simple curves. So just using the three matchsticks, by using three matchsticks, you can form different kinds of a curves. So this is one type of curve by using three matchsticks. These are all the different curves by using the matchsticks. Is there any difference? Can you identify? This is the figure formed like this, and this figure is formed like this, and this figure is formed like this. So what is the difference? What can you find out? Do not begin and end at the same point. See, this started from one point and ending with another one point. Any differences? This is only the difference. This curve is starting from the one point and finally end with another one point. Here the starting point and ending points are different, not is same. Okay, so these types of curves are called as a open curves. Open curves means the initial and the final points are different, not is same. See this figure, how it is formed. Here the starting point and end point at the same point. The starting point and end point are meet in one point. So we can't bifurcate here where is the starting point and where is the end point. These type of the curves are called as a closed curve. Just observe this figure. This is closed curve, right? So this started from this and again they meet again the point. So where is the starting point and where is the final point? We don't know this. This is all our example for a closed figure. See, it starts from the point. Again it is meet in the same point. So they closed each other. These are examples for a closed figure. See, this is a pentagon made by the 5 sides. These are all our closed figures. You do it and tell me later.